Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the levels I've talked about in past videos will mean a whole lot more to those of you in this video. But even if you haven't watched any of the past videos, then I'll still go over these levels here. But the areas I've talked about quite a bit are 20 cents and then up here at 24.5 cents. And 24.5 cents is the level that really stood out today because there was just several times where the price was hovering right around that level and could just never quite push through it. Now, I don't say that from the angle of, and therefore the price will never be able to push through it. I just say it from the angle of, yeah, going into the day, that was a level that you would expect to act as resistance, and it 100% did behave as resistance. But the good news is there's going to be just that many more eyeballs watching it going forward. And the good news is when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. So while nothing's guaranteed, my core point here is it's more than valid, it's more than realistic to think that if the price can get up to 24.5 cents, and then push up through there, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Like I said, self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. That is a very rational thought to be having. So continue to watch 24.5 cents very closely. As far as support levels are concerned, yeah, you still have the 20-cent mark down there. But ideally speaking, the level of support that you want to see now hold strong is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Current value of that right there around, give or take, the 22-cent mark. So that'll be an important level. But if the price does break below there, that's not the end of the world or anything like that because, again, you still do have the 20-cent mark down there. But really, public enemy number one that I think most people are going to be watching and most interested in is going to be 24.5 cents. So let's see how this one closes out the week tomorrow and see if it can get the break up through there. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.